Hello! All day long yesterday I was making magic paints. Those are the paints I created, heat sensitive, and they change color with hand touch. Simple hand touch can make the color change. It's pure science and kids love it. And since Halloween is coming, I decided to show you a cool idea what you can do for a Halloween project. So I printed a simple invitation. Yes, this is an invitation for a Halloween party. Can you believe that? Let me show you what the magic paint will do. Here's a little sneak peek. Yes, it will reveal, the invitation will reveal with the heat of my body. Ready? Also, we can reveal with fire. I don't know, but people love this fire effect. Yes, you are invited. Halloween party at my house. Whoa. What do you think? And then you can turn it back to black when it gets cold. You can challenge your kids to find a way to make it cold. I'm gonna use a simple fan because this is faster. Look how fast it goes back to black. Or you can put it on the vent of your house. You can go outside if it's a cold winter day on the vent of the AC. But my favorite is with hand touch because everybody has hands and it's not dangerous and it's not fiery and it's so simple and all kids love to touch, so why not? Another one I have, let me show you. Here is my second mug. It was just a regular mug I bought from the store. It was clear glass and I painted with magic paints, black on top. I'm gonna pour some hot water and my black turned to colorless. Now I will spill the hot water because I would like to turn the paint back to cold, to the cold state. Ready? I'll spill the hot water and I will pour cold water. Watch what's happening. Takes only a few seconds to cool down. Oh, there is a drop on the outside. Turning back to the cold state. And that's how magic paint works. Let me know in the comments what do you think of my creation. Do you like my magic paint? We have so many different colors. We have red turning to yellow. My favorite is black turning to pink because it has a big contrast. But the black to colorless is the one that's used for secret messages because you can write basically anything underneath. You can print your favorite picture. I have another tutorial, Will You Marry Me? I printed it and covered it with black magic paint. With a rub of your finger, the black disappears and Will You Marry Me appears. But since Halloween is coming, I decided to do one for Halloween. So this Halloween invitation is really cool and interactive. Yesterday I worked all day long and I sent so many to Amazon, so you can get it free shipping, 2-day delivery. Yes, we are on Amazon as a small business and our business is called Color Changing Deals. If you go on our website colorchangingdeals.com, you can find so many different cool projects that change color with temperature and with sunlight. And they make the best gift for birthdays, Christmas, anniversary, Mother's Day cards, anything you can think of. Our logo is Sky is the Limit. I hope you like our magic paint.